everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip hop dance online. In this video, we're going to be doing 5 basic hip hop grooves that you can do in any environment. At the end of learning each move, we're going to try it with music, and then at the end of the video, we're going to put all those steps together and try it in a combination. Let's start. The first move we're going to do is called the rock step, and the rock is going to be involved in pretty much almost all of your hip hop dance steps when you move. So the rock looks like this. So when I just did that rock demonstration, I was doing my rock going upwards, but there are different variations. So the one we're going to be learning is going up, and we're just going to do a double variation on each side. But you can do side rock, side to side, or you can rock even down, down, down. So for the rock, again, it's only involving the upper body. And what we're doing is slightly bending the knees, bringing our shoulders down and up, and we're bending from the hip. So we're going down, up, down, up. Again, we're just doing 2 at a time each side. I'm slightly bending my knees and I'm going down, up, bending at the hip, down, up, down, up. I have a slightly wide stance and I'm bending my knees slightly and I'm alternating and shifting my position or my torso position. So I'm heavier towards one side and heavier towards another. So I'm going up to one side, then up to the other. So let's try that one more time. We're going to do 2 each side 4 times. Let's start to the 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try that one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try it one more time. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because this is a beginning level class, when we do play it with music, please be mindful that it's going to be in half tempo. So it's going to feel a little bit slow, but that's the point. We want to practice, take our time before we start excelling and leveling up. Now let's try that with the music. The second step we're going to be working on is called the 2-step. We're involving the rock and using a 2-step, and it looks like this. Okay, so just as a review, we're involving the rock that we did with our upper body, and then now we're involving a 2-step with our feet. All right, so for the lower body, we're basically gonna be tapping our feet side to side and staying in one position. And it looks like this. So we tap, 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 tap. I'm on the balls of my feet. So just in terms of the weight, my weight is on one foot, tap, weight shifts, then tap. Weight shifts, tap, weight shifts, then tap. Now notice I'm not doing this when I do my 2-step, so I'm not like 2-step, 2-step. I'm tapping and then I start to go into 2 steps. So initiate, 2, 2. So notice on each side, I'm tapping my feet 2 times 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, right? So let's try that. We're going 2-step, 2-step, 2-step. Let's try it with counts. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're going to add the rock. We just learned this to our 2-step. So whenever we step, we're doing that rock up, right? So Putting it together, it looks like this. Rock up, 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 up. So every time I tap, my rock goes up. So I'm tapping, my rock goes up. I'm not going down, down, down. Nothing wrong with that, but that's not what we're doing at the moment. So whenever we step, we rock up. And most of grooves have this motion in it. So now let's put that together. Torso and feet. Let's do 2 8 counts. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it to music. The next move we're going to do is called the grapevine, and it looks like this. All right, just like the two-step, we're going to add the rock with our lower body steps. So let's first break down the legs or the steps that we're going to be doing. This sequence goes side to side, all right? So starting with our right foot, we're going to step out, and then we're going to step behind, step out, and then tap close together. The foot that taps close together, now you initiate going to the other side, which is my left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so here we go. 6, both sides, right, left, right, together, left, right, left. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we add the upper body. So again, nothing wrong with you doing the grapevine like this. Sometimes that's what we need to practice first, before we add the torso. But if you want to get that hip hop groove and essence to it, we got to add the torso. So it would look like this with the rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like the two-step, every time we step down, our torso goes up. As we step, torso goes up, step, torso goes up. Now let's try it to music. All right, step number 4 that we're going to learn is called the 4-step turn, and it looks like this. All right, here we go. Very similar patterns we're seeing, right? So as we apply our lower body, our rock is involved. But let's work on the 4-step turn first. So without even turning, what's happening is we're taking 4 steps. So let's go towards the right and towards the left. We're going to initiate with our right foot going towards the right, and we're not turning, but it would look like this. So we're always going right, left, right, together, left, right, left, together. Again, right, left, together, left, left, together. So that's what's happening when we do this 4-step turn, and it's 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's apply the turn. And this time we're gonna be doing half turns every time we step. So if we're starting with our right foot, we would step out first, and then you're gonna do a half turn facing the back, half turn. Then you're gonna do your right foot, doing a half turn facing forward, and then step together. So let's run it back. Notice how I did one turn, but I took 4 steps to do it. So I took my first step, still facing the front. I took my second step, facing the back. Took my third step, facing forward, and then bring it together. So that's 4 steps. Now let's do it towards the left. We're going left foot out, facing front. Step out, facing back. Face back, front, and then together. Let's put that together a little bit faster. We're going 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it one more time. Front, back, front, together, stay front. Now back, front, together. So now we're going to involve the rock going up. So same thing, when we did our rock, we've been training it up. When we did our 2-step, we've been training it up. When we did our grapevine, we've been training it up. We're going to do the same thing with this 4-step turn, and every time we step down, our rock goes up. So let's try it slow. 6 to the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it together with music. The 5th and final step we're going to be learning today is called the slide step. Other dance spaces call it this 2-step as well, but intertwined, regardless, it has a slide element and a 2-step element, and it looks like this. So for this step, we're literally just stepping 2 steps to each side. So starting with our right foot, we're going to go towards the right. We're going 1, 2. Then towards the left, we take 2 steps. 1, 2. Towards the right, take 2 steps. 1, 2. Towards the left, 2 steps. 1, put it together. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And as I mentioned earlier, it has a slide element. So when we step out, the other foot that is about to meet, it slides a little bit. So that second foot has a mini baby slide in its step. So as I'm stepping, I do a mini baby slide before I step together. On the other side, as I step 1, mini baby slide on that second step or before that second step. So slide, step together. Slide, step together. Slide, step together. Slide. Now it's just 2 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it a bit faster like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2. Add the baby slide. 5, 6. Now let's add the rock. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we didn't forget the rock, did we? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try it with music. All right, now it's time we're gonna put the steps in sequence together. We're gonna do each step 2 times in a row in that same half tempo. We have a bonus exercise for you. So when you're done, if you feel like, you know what, I'm ready for the next level, we're now gonna try those steps to the tempo of the track. Same thing, 2 8 count, 8 counts each step to the music. Let's try it out. We trust this video helped you immensely. So go ahead and like and subscribe to the Confident Dancers channel. If you want to take your training to the next level and save yourself time and energy, go ahead and apply to work with us and you'll see the information down below.